So a couple of months ago, Dr. Cracks gave us a pair of Air Force Ones to customize. We came up with a cool concept, and I had McKenzie paint some really cool designs on there.
Super excited to see them. So.
Ready?
Yes, I'm so excited about this. Thank you. Ooh, it's exciting. Whoa, these are freaking lit. Oh my God, bro. Look at this. Wow. There's like skeletons on there. Look at that spine right there.
Hey, that's a good
looking
spine.
Dang, like thank you guys so much.
Yeah, you're
Thank you,
welcome.
thank you, thank you.
You want to try cracking it?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna crack one. Crack.
Hey, McKenzie, go.
Oh, I always get so scared. I'm so excited to see this. Like my neck
Most of your
always.
neck, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna check it out. Lay face down and look at it real quick.
Oh my God.
Right now, it's like examination right now.
Oh
Go off
my
there.
God. Oh my goodness. Wait, what the heck? That's so cool. You can feel it just like.
Yeah, I mean, I can feel him.
Oh my God.
He's off on this side.
Oh
Okay,
my
cool.
God.
So,
Okay.
lay on your side and face me on this side.
Okay.
Low back.
Oh my
So,
goodness.
slide towards me a little bit. And then yep, just bend your top like that.
Oh my gosh.
See your hands here. This. That's okay.
I'm ready.
Here, lay face out, lay face out. It's so funny, man.
Okay.
I'm cracking up right now.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna get
Oh
your
my
upper
goodness.
back.
Oh
Or
God.
tell me to
Oh
go.
God. Oh no.
Ready?
Oh, I heard that. Oh
All right.
God. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. What if I die?
You won't die.
Oh my God. You
won't even notice. McKenzie's about to shut up to you.
What in the world?
That was crazy. Oh yeah.
Oh
Let
my
me double check them here.
goodness.
Let me just reevaluate. Yeah. They're good right now. Yeah, they're moving great. They're moving great. And then this one right here.
Oh my gosh.
Down right there. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the neck. Oh, I'm scared. Okay. My favorite.
I gotta look around and see where she's out. Right there.
What the fuck?
Bro, I'm literally gonna uncontrollably laugh, I can tell.
I know.
That was so crazy. That was
Yeah, it was really crazy.
I'm a big fan, big crackhead.
All right, here we go. So, Zach, what's bothering you? Tell us.
Usually my mid back kind of bothers me because I'm like
All
always
those
hunched
YouTube
over.
videos, man, they're just,
Yeah.
they have a toll on you. Zach, all right then, lay face up for me.
Face up.
Yep. This area.
Dr. Cracks is already laughing like a maniac.
Here we go. Oh! That was, you're crunchy. Oh! Man. Let me get one more. There's one more here. Right here. Yeah, this one right here. Got one more here. Oh! Man.
Feels like I died and came back to life.
Right there. Oh!
Oh, that was like a
That, like,
glow
echoed.
stick.
Your neck just looks like a like
Oh yeah.
when you move it
Yeah,
like
that was incredible. Let me reevaluate. Yep, on point.
Yeah.
Thank you. So what bothers you?
My neck.
Your neck? So sure we go. This up.
The neck is my favorite.
Just get a little lower one too. So this part right there. Oh man.
You're like shocked.
See, yeah, right in there's a bad one. It's a bad one.
Yeah, okay, so I have like, I get pretty bad neck pain. It shoots up from like here to like here. And then I also get like pain like right here.
Might be your rib. Let me look. Anything? No pain?
Right there, it's like a little bit.
This side or this side hurts? Actually, this one's off on this side here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So lay on your side and face me then. So restriction on the right and left. Okay, the side towards me. Yep. Bend your top leg. And then. Yeah, true. Let's see here. It's this part right there. So. Oh! I did that? Right there. Yeah, it's kind of a rib and the spine. So, okay, breathe it out for me. So maybe we get a pretty good one here. Oh!
Damn. Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
That's so good.
Here we go, little spot. Oh no.
Take your mask off.
There, up there. Now you can. Cool. Alright, so lay face up for me. What? You know what? Just lay face down. Okay. Oh, right in there. Cool. All right, breathe in and out for me right there. All the way out. Oh! Wow. That was a good one.
Nice.
That was a good one. This one too. Ready for this one? All the way out. Oh! Still here. Yeah, you're kind of messed up in the lower part of the neck right there.
Oh boy.
Yep, here we go.
Oh! No way!
So rad.
Oh.
So rad, I know, man.
Oh my gosh, that feels so good.
It does. Yeah, it's amazing. But let's see what we can find here then. Let's see if we can. Yeah, you do kind of have an area in the upper part right there. All right, we'll get this one then.
Ooh.
She felt it. She's in La La Land. Here we go. She is a crunchy one. Oh, dang, that was really crunchy.
Super crunchy.
I told him, I was
You
like,
like
my
that?
back is destroyed. Oh, it's beautiful, thank
We
you.
have to here and then move up there.
Yeah.
But I really want to get your neck.
I know you do. Chiropractors have never. Oh my god. I
It
can't.
feels so good. I was scared to.
And the neck ones are right there.
That was beautiful.
Is there any pain in here or no? No?
No.
Yeah, you got some spots in here.
Oh yeah.
This area. Actually, a little bit like.
I'm a mess, doc.
Yeah, I can feel this. Oh, that was nice. Look at this one too. Ready?
All right, ready?
Ooh. All right, perfect.
You're so crazy.
Crazy. All right. Okay. Don't worry. I won't drop you. Don't worry. I won't drop you. I won't. Ooh. Ready for this one? Oh, dang. That was a big one, huh? All right. Ooh, a little more. You fight me. There we go. I got it. This one right here. Relax your head. Oh, that was beautiful. Damn. That was a nice one. Did you hear that, Zach?
Very good one.
Mid back. You guys all have this mid back issue. Everyone has it. It's from being on the cell phone a lot. Yeah, everyone has that issue. It's very common. And then the side of here. I feel this one right there. Really cool. So lay your side face.
Come on, you got that too?
Yeah, I mean it's so common when people like.
Do you have it too, Cracks?
What we've come to.
I don't know. Like,
Cracks, do you have it too?
you know, like he cracked me yesterday.
I did.
Like once on my back. Yeah.
I'm his personal cracker.
I mean, yeah. I mean, he knows how to crack, but he doesn't know why he didn't do it. But actually, like really, no one really. I saw it already went. Felt that? Yeah. It really put you in position, but.
Whoa!
Man.
Yo. It was meant to be.
Here, lay face up.
Face up.
Yeah. This is gonna be a loud one, guys. So this one's like really restricted right here in the mid back. I felt this one right there. Let me see. Yeah, it's right there.
Doing a lot of editing over the weekend.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That was real loud. One more.
Yo.
Dang.
Dang.
Arno.
It's good. I know. All right, let's see here. Right there.
Goodness
That was
gracious.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Right there.
Ooh.
Man, that was crunchy.
Ideal.
Like a crunchy
spine
taco.
over
Awesome. How'd that feel? Good?
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.